Hello Kurumzir viewers and welcome to Sktv'S News. You are watching Afternoon English News with Lintoy Koirom. First, the headlines. Chief Minister Biren, who didn't attend crucial meeting of MLAs in New Delhi, leaves Imphal today to attend oath-taking ceremony of Haryana Chief Minister. Minister Wangbo Nyumai confirms participation of Kuki MLAs in Delhi meeting, says second meeting to bring peace in Manipur to be convened soon. And dead body of boy who went missing on October 14 during river stream found flooding at Lilong Thongkha today morning. With the rise in digital world, we extend our welcome and gratitude to our viewers for supporting the most trusted and first ever OTT platform Sktv'S in Manipur that can be watched globally. Now let's take a look at the news in detail. Chief Minister Biren, who did not attend the crucial meeting of MLAs in New Delhi, has left Imphal today to attend oath-taking ceremony of Haryana Chief Minister, which is scheduled to be held tomorrow at Dasira ground in Panchkula, Haryana. Chief Minister left for New Delhi on an Indigo flight which took off at around 2 p.m. today. Chief Minister Biren will be attending the oath-taking ceremony of Nayat Singh Saini as new Chief Minister of Haryana tomorrow, which will also see attendance of Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other BJP national leaders. Chief Minister Biren will also be attending a meeting of all chief ministers from BJP ruled state. He is also likely to meet Union Home Minister Amit Shah and other leaders in New Delhi. Water Resource Minister Wangbo Nyumai announced that a second meeting will be scheduled soon following yesterday's discussion at Khan Market in New Delhi attended by Kuki MLAs. He made this announcement upon his arrival at Imphal International Airport from Delhi. Speaking to reporters, he explained that the meeting was organized by Ministry of Home Affairs to address the prolonged crisis in Manipur, which has been persisting for over 16 months. The meeting resolved to appeal to both-wearing communities to de-escalate tensions as a first step. However, the ministry has instructed the MLAs not to disclose details about the meeting to the public. Additionally, Health and Family Welfare Minister Dr. Sapam Ranjan arrived in Imphal today, with other ministers and MLAs expected to arrive on subsequent flight.
We discuss Manipur peace program. Discuss details of the meeting. We proposed through the official channel. Ngarang pitok rena kanli. Adugi detail they have authorized or they have tare. Adu makata na adugi peace initiative the law ngai de decision law. Atu bada amuk unarga. Ako Manipur ka minus anti praksara have ki miampuna kana makata. Adubadi I can't address. I could put some cordial discussion. All the parties, Mayamna, Kamana Manipur, Santi Puraksara have discussed a lot. Amakatab that they Moi Unabona, separately Unabona, the way they can't address. So, do you have many initiatives? Home Ministry in the Home Ministry.
The body of 12-year-old boy who went missing after he disappeared in river at Basikong by Irong on October 14 was found today morning at Lilong Thongkha. The boy was carried away by river current when he went swimming with some of his friends at confluence point of Imphal River and Kong River. The lifeless body of Longzam Kanta, as 12th son of Longzam Kumar, originally from Kumbi Terakong but presently residing at Kakwa, Lamdaibung was found today at the confluence point of Iril River and Imphal River in Lilong Thongkha this morning. The boy disappeared on October 14 when he went to swim at the river along with 6 other friends. Members of Basikong Kongba Irong Development Committee, BKIDC, and Basikong Panthoibi Club, Youth Club, along with SDRF and Manipur Fire Service team have been carrying out such search operations since October 14. And the body of the boy, who was class 7 student of PK Upper Primary School, Mela Lampak, was found today. In a tragic incident, an 8-month-old baby lost his life after he swallowed a gourami fish, which is locally known as ngapema. The incident took place yesterday at Khangabok in Thawal district. The minor victim is Kundongbam Thongamba, son of Kundongbam Maintain and Kundongbam Ongbi Puja from Khangabok, Maisnam Lekai. The baby went out with his grandmother, and the baby accidentally swallowed the fish while the grandmother was having a chat with other. The boy was rushed to the district hospital, and then he was referred to RIMS hospital where the fish was removed, but the baby unfortunately could not be saved. A combined security forces of Manipur Police and Central Force seized a substantial cache of arms and ammunition yesterday. According to police, the joint team conducted the search operation at Lairong Tel Pitra Uyok Hill in Thawal district. During the operation, the team seized one 7.6K AK rifle along with magazine, one 9mm pistol, one 9mm SMG rifles, one 12mm bore single-barrel gun, 636 live hand grenades, 58 live round ammunition, 2 detonators, 2 tube launchers, 1 wireless handset Baofeng along with charger, 1 BP jacket, 2 BP iron plate, and 5 arming rings. The seized articles have been handed over to concerned police station for further legal actions. World Flood Day was observed at YK College in Wangjing under Thawal district today. The observance was jointly organized by YK College Wangjing and Association of Food Scientists and Technologies India AFSTI Manipur chapter. Proprietor of Tangjam Agro Industry T.H. Joy Kumar, principal of YK College Wangjing, Professor Soibam Girishing, Board of Director of Sairam Imphal, and former head of Department of Animal Science CAU, Professor M. Dhaneshwar, subject matter specialist of KVK Bisnupur, Bandana Ningombam, proprietor of Hanglem Industry, Hanglem Navadvip, Associate Professor of Department of English P. Samarendra, along with other eminent persons attended the program. During the program, life member of AFSTI Dr. Suraj Laishram spoke on identification of available plastics as packaging medium, while head of Department of Environmental Sciences YK College Assistant Professor Dr. N. Savarani spoke about healthy lifestyle, a happy life. Stalls belonging to various food industry were also displayed during the program. Friends in Need Society Hayrok has refuted the allegation made by proscribed outfit KCP Nongdring Komba against a divorced woman in Hayrok. While terming the allegation against the woman as baseless, Friends in Need Society Hayrok maintained that the allegation charged on the woman actually disrespects the integrity and honor of the woman. KCP Nongdren Khomba had reportedly leveled the woman as sex worker. Denying the claim, Friends in Need Society maintained that the woman is in question is not involved in any illicit profession, adding that it would be wrong for the group to extend its judgment only on the weak, poor and powerless people. It stated that such action dishonors the woman and causes a dent on reputation of the woman. Friends in Society Hayrok urged KCP Nongdren Khomba to stop such action in future. Season 10 of Paumai Premier League PPL has started from today at Astro Turf Ground in Senapati District. 16 teams were participated in the league, which will be held till October 26. The event is partnered with Bath Clinic Senapati. It may be mentioned that the league has been organized in New Delhi from Season 1 to Season 8. Now in national news, we have leader of National Conference NC Omar Abdullah took oath as the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir on Wednesday, accompanied by 5 ministers including his Deputy Chief Minister Surinder Kumar Chowdhury. Despite pre-poll alliance with the Congress, the party has stayed out of the government for now, reportedly due to disagreement over cabinet positions. The NC won 42 out of 90 assembly seats, while Congress secured 6, giving their alliance a majority of 48 seats. Abdullah mentioned that 3 cabinet positions remain unfilled and will be addressed soon. The 6 ministers sworn in include a balanced Biren representatives from Kashmir and Jammu. This election marks the first assembly election in J&K since its status changed in 2019, when Article 370 was abrogated and the state was made a union territory. The NC Congress alliance performed particularly well, sweeping all 8 seats in Srinagar, while BJP secured 29 seats mainly in Jammu region. The swearing-in ceremony at Sari Kashmir International Conference Center (SKICC) in Srinagar was attended by leaders of INDIA bloc, including Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi, Akhilesh Yadav, Y. Kanimoji, and Supriya Sule. India's External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar took a strong stance against Pakistan at the SCO summit, highlighting that the cross-border activities marked by terrorism, extremism and separatism are detrimental to bilateral relations and border cooperation. He emphasized that peace and stability are essential for development and growth, and the SCO's commitment to combat these 3 evils, terrorism, extremism and separatism, is crucial in today's context. Jaishankar stressed that cooperation within the SCO must be founded on mutual respect, territorial integrity and sovereignty, rejecting selective approaches to global norms. He also showcased India's contributions to global sustainability initiatives like International Solar Alliance, the Coalition for Disaster Resilient Infrastructure and the Global Biofuel Alliance, while stressing the importance of promoting trust and multifaceted regional cooperation amidst global conflicts and challenges. Though Jaishankar congratulated Pakistan on its presidency of the SCO, no bilateral talks between India and Pakistan were scheduled during the summit. Before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Biren, who did not attend crucial meeting of MLAs in New Delhi, leaves Imphal today to attend oath-taking ceremony of Haryana Chief Minister. Minister Wang Bo-Nyumai confirms participation of Kuki MLAs in Delhi meeting, says second meeting to bring peace in Manipur to be convened soon. And dead body of a boy who went missing on October 14 during river swim found floating at Lilong Thongkha today morning. That's all we have for now. Thank you for watching SKTV News, the first ever OTT platform in Manipur. Please visit SKTV website skyic.in to download SKTV app. You can now access Google Play Store to download the app. SKTV iOS app is also now accessible on Apple App Store. For early access, use the QR code. The download link will also be pinned in all our comment sections. Join us for real-time news updates, exclusive interviews, and comprehensive analysis for current affairs in Manipur.